Hello everyone, in this video we will be reviewing frequently asked question about the integumentary system for the AAPC CPC examination. The integumentary system is the body's largest organ system comprising skin, hair, nails and breast. Integumentary system, question number 1. Sebaceous glands are a part of which anatomical system? A. Circulatory, B. Endocrine, C. Genitourinary, D. Integumentary. So think the answer. The correct answer is integumentary system. You can see the sebaceous gland is marked here. You can see the sebaceous gland here and it secretes the sebum. The sebaceous glands are exocrine glands located in the dermis that secrete sebum. The sebum is an oily substance into the hair follicles and skin surface. They are direct component of the integumentary system. Question number 2. Where is the location of the lunula? A. Eye, B. Nail, C. Muscle, D. Skin. The correct answer is B. Nail. You can see in the nail here, this is the lunula. On the cross section, you can see the lunula part is here. The lunula is the visible crescent-shaped white area at the base of the nail. You can see it is located in the base of the nail. It is the visible part of the nail matrix where the nail growth begins. So, question number 3. Which of the following is not an integumentary system? A. Breast, B. Toenail, C. Lymph node, D. Skin. So the correct answer is lymph node. The skin and toenails are both direct components or accessory structures of the integumentary system. So the toenail and skin are not suitable answers. While the breasts have skin covering on them, so it's considered as the part of integumentary system, but their primary glandular tissue and function are not solely integumentary. But when you consider lymph node, it's a vital part of lymphatic and immune system that is not the part of integumentary. So the correct answer for question C is lymph node. Question number 4. The root of hair is known as A. Shaft, B. Cuticle, C. Cortex, D. Hair follicle. So think the answer. So the correct answer is hair follicle. When you take the hair, the part inside the skin is called root and the outside is called shaft. So the root has the part of the hair that is embedded within the skin. The structure that surrounds and nourishes the hair root is the hair follicle. This hair follicle is the main part of the root that nourishes the root. Question number 5. A sweat gland present in the axilla. A. Apocrine, B. Sebaceous gland, C. Eccrine, D. Cereminous gland. So think the answer. The correct answer is apocrine. The sweat glands are two types. One is eccrine glands, other one is apocrine glands. These eccrine glands are available in all over the body. But the apocrine glands are secrete heavier fat-laden sweat with a different odor. They are available in the armpits, breast, palms, groin and soles. Question number 6. Which accessory structure of the integumentary system is primarily responsible for cooling the body through evaporation? A. Sebaceous gland, B. Apocrine sweat gland, C. Eccrine sweat gland, D. Hair follicle. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Eccrine sweat glands. The eccrine sweat glands are widely distributed and produce a watery sweat that helps cool the body through evaporation. The apocrine glands are associated with hair follicles and produce thicker and odor-producing sweat that is available in the armpit, breast, groin areas. So the correct answer is eccrine sweat gland. Question number 7. The oil gland in the skin is also known as sebaceous gland, eccrine gland, apocrine gland, merocrine gland. The correct answer is sebaceous gland. We already noticed a similar question. You can see the sebaceous glands are available in the hair follicle area. It secretes oily secretion into the skin surface that is called the sebum. Question number 8. The outermost layer of the skin is called A. Hypodermis, B. Epidermis, C. Subcutaneous tissue, D. Fascia. So this is the straightforward question. The correct answer is B. Epidermis. The skin can be divided into 3 parts. The first part is epidermis. The second part is dermis. Third part is called hypodermis or the subcutaneous tissue. Question number 9. Which of the following is the outermost layer of the epidermis? A. Stratum spongiosum, B. Stratum granulosum, C. Stratum corneum, D. Stratum lucidum. So think the answer. The correct answer is C. Stratum corneum. As we seen earlier, the skin is divided into three parts. The first is epidermis, then dermis, other one is hypodermis. Also, the epidermis can be divided into 5 layers. The outermost layer is called the stratum corneum. You can see this is the outermost layer is called the stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is the most superficial layer of the epidermis. It is composed of flattened and dead keratinocytes. Question number 10. Melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, is produced by which cells? A. Keratinocytes, B. Langerhans cells, C. Melanocytes, D. Merkel cells. So the correct answer is C. Melanocytes. As we seen in the previous question, the uppermost layer of the skin, that is called epidermis, can be divided into 5 layers. The uppermost layer of the epidermis is called stratum corneum, and the lowermost layer is called stratum basale. So you can see from outward to inward: stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and stratum basale. These melanocytes are specialized cells located in the stratum basale of the epidermis that produce melanin. You can see the lowermost layer of the epidermis, that is called stratum basale. You can see these cells are called melanocytes. These cells produce the melanin. That melanin is responsible for the skin color. The hypodermis, that is subcutaneous layer, is mainly composed of what type of tissue? A. Muscle tissue and nervous tissue. B. Adipose tissue and areolar connective tissue. C. Dense regular connective tissue and epithelial tissue. D. Cartilage and bone. So think the answer. The correct answer is adipose tissue and areolar connective tissue. You can see the skin divided into main three parts. First one is epidermis, second one is dermis, and third one is hypodermis or subcutaneous tissue. So this part, that is hypodermis, is primarily composed of adipose tissue, that is fat, for insulation and energy storage, along with looser areolar connective tissue. Question number 12. Which layer of the skin contains blood vessels, nerves, hair follicles, and glands? A. Epidermis, B. Dermis, C. Hypodermis, D. Stratum basale. So think the answer. The correct answer is B. Dermis. As we seen repeatedly, you can see the epidermis is the outermost layer, and dermis is the main part that contains all the nerves and blood vessels, and the subcutaneous tissue or the hypodermis contain the fat part. So the rationale, the dermis is the vascularized layer of the skin that houses most of the accessory structures, including blood vessels, nerves, hair follicles, and various glands. On the other hand, the epidermis is avascular. Question number 13, the last question of the integumentary system. What are the main functions of the integumentary system? So there are 4 answers available. Please pause the video and find the answer. Okay, the correct answer is A. The main functions of the integumentary system include sensation, protection, thermoregulation, and secretion. So if you see the rationale, the sensation is the skin contains the numerous sensory receptors that allow us to feel touch, pressure, pain, and temperature. Protection is the skin acts as a barrier against physical damage, UV radiation, pathogen, and dehydrations. The next function of integumentary system is thermoregulation. The integumentary system helps regulate body temperature through mechanisms like sweating, that is secretion of sweat, and controlling blood flow to the skin. Other function is secretion. The skin has glands that secrete sweat for cooling and waste removal, and sebum to lubricate and protect skin and hair. So these are the main functions of the integumentary system. My channel offers guidance for the medical coding, especially to help you to prepare for the AAPC CPC examination. If you have any issues, please feel free to ask me. You can leave your questions in the comment sections, or you can email or WhatsApp me using the details displayed here. If you feel this channel is useful, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.